another exciting video. Today we'll be creating a happy birthday flyer. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. For my property, I use 10 by 10 inches. So you can choose according to what you feel like using and what will be okay for your work. So you pick out your rectangle tool, draw out your rectangle, and you remove your outline or stroke, anyone. Then you give it a color P to make it center. Then come here to make your work align. So let's bring in our first image that we'll be using. To power click inside. Cut your transparency to here with if darker. Without leaving here, let us just bring the second image that we'll be using, which is this. Drag P. You can hold down your shift to drag proportionally. Shift P. Then come back to your transparency tool and use subtract here. Subtract. Then we bring in the third background. Drag this to P. For this, you still go back to your transparency tool. For this, you put add. Okay. Press F4 to bring your work back to the main screen to make it full. Then let's bring in our image that we'll be using, the birthday celebrants. We can actually put it behind but let us just work with the names first. Then we'll arrange her, put her in place later. Yes. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Miss Martha. This is very October. Control K to break. So it a bit. So let's come back to our text and just click on this to change their fonts. Let's break it. Ctrl K, then give it a white color. Shift page up. Sorry. Ctrl Z. Or you just drag from here up to make it easier. Let's zoom in. White. We can make this uppercase. We come to text, then change case, uppercase. These two. Text, change case, and uppercase. Reduce it a bit. Click outside. Select Ctrl G to group. Ctrl G to group. For the image now, let me put like this. You can actually put it behind Ctrl X, then we double click on the box, then Ctrl V to paste that in. Okay. can break this. Make this border. Let's do it uppercase too, and this too. But this will do uppercase. We're doing title case. Title case. These two. Title case. And cut your shape tool to reduce the wideness of your text and increase, so it works the same. So you can duplicate this layer, copy layers and their content. Okay, so just removing this, changing into another image. Jesus. Can remove this. You click here to change, to rotate it. And let's see. You can increase the image. It's too small. Well, let me see. I made the flyer already for sure. So here's the first one I made. The second one. See? So let's get back into our video. For this, I think I'll change the front. It's okay like that. Just leave the font the way it is. So you drag outside to scale this one. We can still scale this too, just a bit. So here you have your birthday flyer. So I'm deciding not to save it because I already have one here. So thank you for watching, and please do make sure to like and subscribe so that you get more updates when I drop a new video. Thank you.